ladies and gentlemen, it's Miss Solari here, and welcome to Library Land. And as you could see from around us, I'm so happy to say I am finally back in the library after about 3 months of bringing you Spring into STEM from home. So I'm so happy to bring you this episode of Spring into STEM right here at the Alfred H. Bowman Public Library. Just so you know, we're available for curbside delivery, and look forward for a really special announcement soon on our Imagine Your Story Enchanted Summer Reading Program. So today, here in Library Land, we're going to make our own clouds in a jar. What we need are 2 cups, a pitcher of water, shaving cream, Miss Laurie's favorite, food coloring, right? I feel like it's in almost all of our videos, and a coffee filter. So the first cloud we're going to model is a cumulus cloud. Cumulus clouds look like cotton balls. They're big, white, and puffy. And when it rains, the cumulus cloud becomes too dense with all the water that has evaporated and condensed to make the clouds, and the cloud has to release it in the form of precipitation or rain. So we're going to take our cup and we're going to fill it about 3/4 of the way up the glass, like so. We're then going to take our shaving cream, and a little goes a long way, because it expands. And the shaving cream is going to represent our cumulus cloud. What we're going to do now is we're going to take about 5 drops of 2 different color food colorings, blue and a pink purple, and we're going to watch how the water gets released from the cloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now with the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as we can see, ladies and gentlemen, the raindrops are slowly starting to escape from that cumulus cloud. And the colors are beginning to swirl, and that's representing the rain hitting Earth's surface. And now we have some blue slowly coming in. So that's our cumulus cloud. Next, we're going to make a cirrus cloud. Cirrus clouds almost look wispy, layered, feathery, and flat. They're not nearly as puffy as cumulus clouds. So thinking about the shapes of those clouds, what do you think is going to hold more water? The puffy cumulus cloud or the cirrus cloud? We're going to fill this about 3/4 of the way up. And we're going to put a rubber band over it. You might need an adult to help you, or you might need 2 hands. And then we're just going to sort of flatten it and push it out. You don't want it to be too taut or tight on the top. And then we're going to take our food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're going to add some more. And if we see, boys and girls, both colors are really falling as fast. This means that the rain is hitting Earth's surface a lot quicker in a cirrus cloud that is flat and thin and wispy than in a cumulus cloud, which is puffy. So, if we're going to have bad weather or rainy weather, the clouds are going to maybe look flat and thin and wispy, a cirrus cloud, instead of puffy and white, a cumulus cloud. So this is our how to make your own rain clouds in a jar experiment. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something new today. This is Miss Solari from Libraryland signing off. Bye-bye. I'm so happy to be back here at the library with all of you boys and girls.